classes for the student of Institute of English Shahab Latif University, Kharpur. These video lectures cover the whole scope of English literature, and you will find videos for the subjects of drama, fiction, novel in 18th and 19th century, and American literature as well. For watching more videos on literature and awareness sessions, keep on watching my video channel and subscribe my channel. I thank you all and I love you all. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online video classes for the student of Institute of English Shahab Latif University, Kharpur. Today's topic is introduction of Christopher Marlowe, and was Marlowe homosexual? Ladies and gentlemen, one of the towering figures in English literature, the man of Renaissance, the man who was born in the very same year William Shakespeare was born, means in 1564, but died in 1593 at the age of 29 years. Christopher Marlowe took English literature with a storm. He wrote only 4 to 5 tragedies, but all of them were excellently appreciated even in his lifetime. None of his tragedies was criticized for any fault, though the critics find out certain flaws in Marlowe's tragedy as well. Let me tell you that one of the great flaws that critics have found in Marlowe's tragedies is the less importance given to women. In Marlowe's tragedies, you will find no ordinary women taking any importance the way other writers do. If Marlowe has ever touched any female character, she is either Helen of Troy, the divine lady, the divine beauty of the universe, or as in the Queen of Carthage, he talks about goddesses, the noble goddesses of divinity, or the women characters of Christopher Marlowe. All Christopher Marlowe's heroes are powerful, or great, or valiant, or brave enough. To become Marlowean hero, you need to be Dr. Faustus, who feels proud of all his learnings and all his scholarly achievements. Or to become Marlowean hero, one needs to be Tamerlane the Great. Tamerlane the Great, who shook this entire world with his force, with his vitality, and with his power. Such are the great characters created by Christopher Marlowe. Who was Christopher? How he achieved all this success in simply 29 years. I strongly believe that had Marlowe lived the years Shakespeare had lived, today the entire world might have sung songs of Christopher Marlowe. All the laurels that are added to William Wordsworth and to his cap might have been added to the cap of Christopher Marlowe. And let me tell you that never forget that for Marlowe it is said that Marlowe paved the way for Shakespeare. It was Shakespeare who followed the path created by Marlowe. Ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Marlowe is the most mysterious figure in English literature. Unlike Shakespeare, he was highly educated. He was among university wits. He was qualified from university and had great achievements to his credit. But this man has a very mysterious life as well. He was not only a scholar alone, he acted as a spy. He was a spy too. And let me tell you, in Elizabethan age, he declared himself as an atheist. And in those times, he himself declared as a gay. He says, "One who lives without wine and vice is a fool." Living a life without boys was a useless life for Marlowe, and he was so fond of boys that he never gave any proper place to women in his blazing. Ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Marlowe died in a very mysterious way. He was sitting in a tavern, enjoying coffee. In those days, in Elizabethan days, the writers used to sit on coffees the way people used to sit in coffees these days. They enjoyed to discuss it. And all of a sudden, someone appeared, disguised, and stabbed Christopher Marlowe in his eye and lied there Marlowe for 3 years. The corpse was there, nobody touched even it. And the reason for his death was told that he had used heretic sentences, he had used blasphemous sentence and Dr. Faustus. But when the presentation of Dr. Faustus was finalized, it came to know that the final scene of Dr. Faustus was completely religious one. Dr. Faustus is considered one of the finest religious drama. And that drama, Marlowe presents the glory of God and tells us that how Faustus worries at the end about his fall. But Marlowe had paid the price. But ladies and gentlemen, don't believe in this story even, because it is said that Marlowe had staged his death himself, because as a spy he has no other way to escape from his enemies. So he staged this death and then started and continued writing for other plays. And one of the theory of Shakespeare and myth is that all the plays written by William Shakespeare are supposed to be written by Christopher Marlowe. But that is another question. I will be discussing this thing in my next forthcoming video. I will be telling that either Shakespeare was reality or myth. So these are the things. Marlowe, with simple 4 to 5 tragedies, still rules millions of hearts in English literature. All the lines written by Marlowe are the mightiest lines ever produced in English literature, and the readers throughout the world enjoy reading these lines. Even Shakespeare seems to be the great admirer of Christopher Marlowe. When Shakespeare was simply acting, Marlowe was ruling the world of theatre. Marlowe had such great guts that he could have revolutionized the entire world of English literature and English theatre. But unfortunately, he soon left the stage at the age of 29 years, and we lost this great valiant hero. Hope that you got all these things, and wait for my next forthcoming video in which I will be talking about Shakespeare as a myth or reality. Thank you very much for watching this.